In today's video, I'll show you how to center elements with auto margin in Webflow. Alright guys, so here we are in Webflow, and what I've done is I've just used a simple template to show you how this is done and just moved it off center a little bit. I want to move the actual container to be centered. So I'm going to click on my container here in the navigator. Then we're going to slide over to the right and make sure we are in style. And here in style, you'll see spacing. Make sure it's open here. And now you can see I've got one side on auto and one side on 10, and that's where we are off center. So what I'm going to do is just click on this little icon on the top right of the spacing section, and that is immediately going to center it. And that will center it immediately. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.